While most of us have packed up our Christmas decorations, in Amador County, Serbians are celebrating with a bang. KCRA 3's Will Hereford shows us the unique way the Serbian Orthodox Church brings in the holiday.
St. Sava's Serbian Orthodox Church in Jackson, where Christmas is steeped in tradition. This is the mother church for Serbs in North America. Not much has changed here since the church was built in 1894, including driving to downtown Jackson and heralding in Christmas with volleys of shotgun blasts. It's a celebration, but also a tradition that honors the past.
Before the Serbs immigrated here, they'd shoot their guns to let their neighbors know that they were coming over for drinks and appetizers.
Serb or not, most people seem to enjoy the noise.
This is pretty unique to our city. Happens every year.
It's a great tradition, even if you're not Slav.
It's what it should be. Chesney Božić. Merry Christmas.
Jackson's one of the few places where you can do things like this.
I think it's awesome. I think that Serbian tradition, I think it's fun like that.
A round of song and a toast of slivovitz. Shirley Temples for the kids. If you like to celebrate Christmas, you'd love Jackson. They do it twice. In Jackson, Will Hereford, KCRA 3 reports.
Now you're probably wondering, all right, the gunfire was permitted by the Jackson Police Department, and yes, they were firing blank shotgun shells, having a little fun there.